Hello everyone, this is Closet Woolbears. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time joining us, you are welcome. Please feel free to join the family by subscribing to this YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make this beautiful C2C V crop top. So I dropped a tutorial on how to make this stitch in case if you want to learn how to do it. I will also link it to this video so that you can go and watch it. So let's go straight to the video. We're going to start by making a slip knot. So after that we're going to chain up 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is our 6 chains, and we're going to skip 1 2 3, and we're going to go to the 4th one and make 1 double crochet there, and the chain 3 counts as a double crochet, so we automatically have 2 double crochets. Now we're going to make 2 more double crochets. This is the 3rd, and in the last chain. So we have a total of 4 double crochets right here. So we're going to chain 6 again. After that we're going to skip 1 2 3 again, go to the 4th one and make 1 double crochet. Then after that we're going to the next space and make 1 double crochet, and in the last one we're going to make 1 double crochet. Okay, so what we have to do right now is to turn this one to this place and make a slip stitch right there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So we're gonna chain up 3 1 2 3, then go into that same space and make 3 double crochets. So here we have 1 2 and 3. So the chain 3 counts as a double crochet, so we have a total of 4 double crochets. Then we're gonna chain up 6 again. Okay, so this is the 5th and the 6th, so we're gonna skip 3 chains and go over to the 4th and make 1 double crochet. Go over to the 5th space and make 1 double crochet, 5th chain. Okay, make 1 double crochet, and in the 6th also make 1 double crochet. Okay, so we have a total of 4. We flip it this way and make a slip stitch right here. Okay, so we're gonna chain 3 and we're gonna make 3 more double crochets, making it a total of 4 double crochets. So the 3rd one, then we make a slip stitch in here. So this is how we are going to be going about this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and be making mine until I get to a point where I'm gonna change colors. Then I'll meet you there to show you how to change. Okay guys, so this is where I want to change color, and this is how I did it. So I'm adding this pink color to this, so I'm just gonna tie a knot using it to finish up the last double crochet, as you can see. So tie a knot twice, and I'm going to work this tail through here. You can hide yours any other way you want to. Okay, So I'm just gonna make my 6 chains, the normal 6 chains we've been doing, but I'm hiding this tail along because I don't want to have a lot of work to do at the end of my project. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue, and here I have 6 chains, so I'm gonna skip the first three chains and go to the fourth and make one double crochet. There's the only thing that changed here is just the color changing. Okay, so apart from that, everything is still the same. So you're gonna just, you can change as much color as you want. Just like myself, I actually did it very much different colors, and this stitch is always very beautiful with different colors. So I'm just gonna go about my work, and I'll meet you when I get my bust size, like when I get, not really just the bust, like it have to exceed to the back. So I'll meet you when I'm done with mine. So here I have the exact size of the width that I need. Okay, so we are going to start the decreases. Okay, so this is how I do it. So I'm just gonna insert my hook back there, and I'm gonna chain one and turn the work round. So right now what I'm gonna do is to go into the first space and make a slip stitch, and in the second space make a slip stitch, and in the third space make a slip stitch, and also go into that space, last one, make a slip stitch. Okay, so let's make a quick measurement so that I show you guys what I have. So this is the width that I'm talking about. So I have, I'm gonna stretch it a little, so I have 25 inches, and that is okay by me. Okay, so because it's stretchy, this is crochet. So after making the slip stitches, that is 4 slip stitches, I'm gonna make 3 chains, then make 3 more double crochets in that space. Okay, and the third one. So this is my 4 double crochets. Go over to this place and make a slip stitch and chain up 3 and make 3 double crochet. So you know how to do this already, so you go ahead and make your slip stitch and chain 3 double crochet until you get to the end of the row. Here at the end of the row, you make a slip stitch. So because we are making the creases, we're not going to work on top of that again. So you're going to chain one, turn your work around and make your 4 slip stitches, 3 on the 3 double crochets and 1 on the chain 3 space right here. Then you're gonna chain up 3 after this. That's 1, 2 and 3. So go into that same space and make 3 double crochet. So you are going to be repeating this at every end of the row. You are going to just chain and make your slip stitches and then continue your work just like this. So continue doing this, and I'll meet you when I have a satisfied length, sorry, width. Yeah, then we can continue. So see you guys soon. Hey love, so I'm here and I have what I want. So we're gonna count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. So that is where we started our decrease and made 1 2 3 4 decreases, 4 rows of decrease, and I'm okay with it. So let's make a quick measurement to see what we have right now. So we have exactly 19. So we had 25 and we decreased to 19. Okay, so that's cool. So the next thing to do is to make your slip stitch to, okay, chain 1 and turn your work round. Okay, then you're gonna slip stitch up to the end top of the work. So just 4 slip stitches going to this and into the third one, then into the chain 3 space. Okay, so right now you are gonna make chains. I made about 250 to 300 chains. Okay, I'm here and my yarn actually finished here. So this is my 250 chains. So I'm gonna chain up one and tighten that one, then tie a knot twice. Okay, so to secure the end, right? So this is the second kind of knots. Okay, so after that, what you're gonna do is to cut that yarn off, and we're going over to the next one, the next end, like the other side, which is this. Just insert your hook right there, make a slip knot, connect your yarn, and you can also chain up as much as you had for the previous side. Okay, so that is just it. I am also hiding my tail. You can hide yours if you want to. Okay, so I'll meet you when I'm done with my chains to show you what to do next. With this, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate. This is the picture. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys like it. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Share to your friends. Bye. Mwah.